Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I welcome you today in the time lapse of my painting where I have painted a yellow pot marigold. First of all, like I always do, I'm putting the basic layer of colors. You have to put many shades of single color in order to get even a little realistic touch. For example, yellow flower is never a single yellow. It has many shades of yellow. Similar goes with green while painting leaves, and in order to get that realistic touch, I don't know how much I am able to get that right now, but still this strategy remains the same, at least for me. Now I'm trying to complete the background with the leaves first, and then I will move on to the flower. The most striking feature about this piece is the use of color yellow in it. The color of sunshine, hope and happiness. It has various attributes attached with it. Also, yellow stands for freshness, positivity, clarity, energy, loyalty, joy and many adjectives attached to it. This also reminds me that my sister loves color yellow and I've always wondered why. But now I know it, as it enlightens wherever it's placed. Right now, it is making my sheet look beautiful. Well, that's the thing about flowers. They always lighten us up. Maybe that is the very core reason why I love painting nature more than anything. by detailed precision of putting dewdrops, I'm trying to make my yellow flower look a little wet. Well, I love placing drops in my paintings. Wherever I get chance, I fill them up transparently to carve out more realistic views in my work. And it's done. Let me know about this painting in the comment section below. Till then, keep giving flowers to your loved ones to make their day brighter, or maybe draw one for them just like I did. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Paint with Prachi, and do follow me on Instagram for more such artworks. Thanks for watching.